Hello viewers, today I come up with few sentences. I'm going to read one by one. Please watch until the video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit a like. Thank you. Turn off the lights. Wash the dishes please. Feed the pet fish. Close the windows now. Sweep the floor clean. Water the plants gently. Set the table quickly. Fold the laundry neatly. Check the mail outside. Brush your teeth. Take out the trash. Make the bed. Cook dinner tonight. Iron your clothes. Vacuum the carpet. Dust the furniture. Answer the phone call. Unlock the door. Hang up your coat. Wipe the counters. Change the light bulb. Peel the potatoes. Lock the windows. Arrange the pillows. Warm up leftovers. Turn on the heater. Stack the plates. Mop the kitchen. Scrub the bathtub. Organize your toast.